Welcome back to Market Decode News. We're diving deep into the foundations of one of the most powerful and misunderstood sectors of finance, commodity markets, specifically crude oil and natural gas. If you're a retail trader looking to expand your horizons, this is for you. Let's start with a shocker. Think about this for a moment. Did you know that a single $1 move in the price of crude oil can shift billions of dollars across the global economy within minutes? That's the incredible, often invisible, power of energy commodities. They don't just affect your fuel tank. They influence inflation, manufacturing costs, and global trade balances. Here at Market Decode News, our mission is to break down these complex topics into clear, actionable knowledge. Let's decode commodities together. First, let's establish the ground rules. What exactly are commodity markets? And how do they differ from the stock market we all know? Commodities are simply raw materials. Think gold, silver, copper, wheat, and, crucially, crude oil and natural gas. Unlike stocks, where you own a piece of a company, in commodities, you're trading standardized products that are nearly identical worldwide. The participants are diverse. We have the producers who hedge their price risk, the consumers like airlines and refiners, and then there are the speculators, which includes us, the retail traders. We provide essential liquidity to the market. These trades happen globally on major exchanges like NYMEX, that's New York Mercantile Exchange, and ICE, the Intercontinental Exchange. For Indian retail traders, the Multi-Commodity Exchange, or MCX, acts as your gateway, linking you to these global price benchmarks. Now let's focus on the stars of the show, crude oil and natural gas. They are, without a doubt, the world's most traded energy commodities. Crude oil powers transportation, fuels industry, and is the backbone of petrochemicals. Natural gas is crucial for heating, electricity generation, and industrial processes. Their importance cannot be overstated. They are fundamental to the global economy. When energy prices surge, everything from the cost of food to the cost of travel is impacted. This means the opportunities and the risks in these markets are huge. What makes their prices so volatile? Primarily, it's a tug-of-war between supply and demand. Supply is heavily influenced by OPEC decisions, while demand depends on global economic health and weather. And of course, geopolitics, wars, and sanctions introduce massive, swift movements. If you're ready to track and possibly trade these powerful assets, how do you actually do it, especially if you're a retail trader in India? For us, the MCX provides liquid derivative contracts for both crude oil and natural gas. Remember, we are trading futures contracts, which are agreements to buy or sell the commodity at a predetermined price on a future date. Pay close attention to quoting conventions. Crude oil is often quoted in US dollars per barrel, and natural gas in US dollars per million British thermal units, or MMBTU. Contract specifications on the MCX define the lot size. These standardized sizes are crucial for risk management. Finally, let's tackle the biggest mental barriers that keep retail traders away from commodities. It's time to bust some myths. Myth number 1. Only big institutions trade commodities. Absolute nonsense. Thanks to leveraged futures and mini contracts available on exchanges like the MCX, the energy market is highly accessible to retail traders today, provided you have a fundamental understanding of market structure. Myth number 2 involves margins. Yes, leverage is involved, and it magnifies both profits and losses. But margins aren't an entry fee. They're collateral. Understanding the difference is key to trading responsibly and not over-leveraging your account. We've covered the fundamentals. You now know what energy commodities are, why their price movements are so significant, and how you, as a retail trader, can connect to this global market through the MCX. The main takeaway is that commodities are not a dark, inaccessible corner of finance. They are powerful, they are volatile, and they are now accessible. If you want more unbiased, data-driven market education, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to Market Decode News, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive. We love hearing from our community. Comment below with any questions you have about crude oil, natural gas, or commodity trading. We read every single one. Until next time, trade smart.